Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Kumar. I am studying third year BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am going to answer the Node.js questions. What is Node.js and how does it differ from the other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Let's see about that firstly. What is the Node.js? Node.js is an open source that which is creates a server-side environment, and this will run in different platforms like Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, Linux, and so on. And after that, this is also free, and this will use a JavaScript for JavaScript on server side. And after that, Node.js handles the number of requests at a time because it has a non-blocking model for the efficiency. When compared to the PHP handles each request that which assigns to the single thread to process it. But when compared to that, Node.js completes that fastly. PHP has a time taken. Mm, let's go to the second question. What is the callback function in Node.js? And after that, why are the commonly used in asynchronous programming? Callback function is nothing but a function that which is used to assign further another function and after another function after the completion of the asynchronous operation. After that, continuing the execution of the program. Commonly this callback function that which is used to commonly that this callback function that which is used for the asynchronous programming. Here, asynchronous programming um, before completion of this task before completion of the task executes the another process at a time. It concurrently performing the number of processes at a time. Uh, let's go to the third question. What is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Package.json file. Firstly, we have to before creating the application, we are create a one JSON file. For this, we have to use one command is nothing but npm init in our Node.js project. After that, we get this package.json file. This package.json file that which is used to control the version, manages the dependencies, and so on. In this package.json file, we have number of key properties. Um, Let us know about that. What are the key properties are there in the package.json file? Name, name that which includes the name of the project. And next, version is nothing but that which takes the version of the project. And script, that which takes that use it for the run the project and test the project and so on. Dependencies, here dependencies is nothing but this here some modules are will be appear that which is we are going that which is we are need to use in our application. Those modules will be appear here. Then after that we will get some development dependencies. These development dependencies that which is used for the developing purpose only. And after that we get some other type of keyboards, some license, and some other keywords. Let's move to the next question. Explain the differences between the require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would use on over the other? Um, for using in our Node.js project, we if we want to use a particular module, we will have two types to get the modules in our project by using the two statements. One is require and one is import. This require method that which is going to use if we get the modules dynamically. This import statement that which is used when we want to get the module statically. In this require method, we no need to specify a particular path to get the module, but import here we have to specify a particular path to get the particular module. The syntax of this both are different. As per our application's requirement, we will use different types of statements. Let's move on to the next question. What is a middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example how you would use middleware in an express application. Firstly, we have to know about that what is a middleware. Middleware is nothing but it is a bridge between the client and server. This will make a connection between the client and server to handle that many types of authentication process, data processing, and etc. Mm, in this middlewares, we have different types of middlewares. I have like error handling middleware, app level middleware, body parser middleware, and so on. Like um, these middlewares are have mainly for the authentication purpose. We can also explain about that middlewares used in express application. That is nothing but we have the three types of parameters are needed for this middleware is nothing but request, response, and next. Here next is a parameter and also act as a function. As per our conditions, this will be works. Let's move on to the next question. What is the RESTful API? Before knowing the RESTful API, we have to know about that what is an API. API is an application programming interface. RESTful API that which is nothing but it is an interface that which follows the um, principle of the REST. Then after that, this will also have some HTTP methods that which is used for the communication of the server and client to manage the resources. Um, yeah, here some HTTP methods are there for the HTTP methods are there for the um, HTTP methods are there for the RESTful APIs is nothing but get, post, put, delete. Get method that which is used for the get the details from the specified source. Post is nothing but post the details for the specified source. Put is nothing but um, updates the uh, updates the details already existed. Mm, delete is nothing but delete the details which is already existed in that server. These are the some of the HTTP methods that which are used in uh, um, RESTful APIs. Let's move on to the seventh question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager? How does you use it to manage the dependencies in a Node.js project? Uh, Firstly, we have to know about that what is an NPM. NPM is nothing but Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager. We are going to create the project, we have to before we are going to create the Node.js project, we have to install that package.json file. For that, we are going to use that npm init -5. Then after that, we will get the package.json file. In that file, we have a lot of a lot of key components. Those key components that which are used for the managing the dependencies, versions, and so on. And we can also use that by using we can also install the packages by using those conditions, and we can also manage the version, and we can also execute the scripts by using that in Node.js project. In this here, it simplifies the dependencies management by using the third party modules in our in application as per the developer's requirement. Mm, all these will be done in these will be managed by this Node Package Manager. Here all the dependencies will be managed here. Modules will be installed here, and these all are easy to share the shares and etc. Let's move on to the eighth question. What is it? Why is it important to hash the password in a web application? In a web application, password hashing is um, more recommended for the developers. That which is nothing but whenever user enters the password in a password in form, that will be saved into the database into the hashed format. Here the password is not storing the directly, it will convert into the hashed password, and that hashed password are going to be stored in that database. Here the security will be increased. So the user gets more trust on the website, because this here the website is providing the more secure for the users credentials. For that, further password hashing is done. Further password hashing is important in our website. This hashed password is nothing but after the entering the user's password, that will hashes into the fixed length of characters that which stores into the database. After that, users login um, that will take that compared for the you another user enter that login passwords, that both will compare, and after that it will give the access for the user. This which mainly uses for the prevention of the unauthorized users.